the word system to refer to an organized set of components or procedures. Meant in computer system, security system, management system. The computer system crashed during the upgrade. They installed a new security system to monitor the building, and the company is updating its management system to improve efficiency, to indicate a method or process for doing something. Then filing system, payment system, voting system. The office uses a filing system to organize all documents. They implemented a new payment system for faster transactions. The government is reforming the voting system for greater transparency, to express a network or arrangement of related entities. Then in solar system, political system, ecosystem. The solar system consists of the sun and its orbiting planets. The country has a stable political system with democratic elections, and the forest is an important part of the ecosystem, supporting biodiversity. To indicate a method of classification or organization, the grading system, classification system, rating system. The grading system in schools uses letter grades A to F. The classification system groups animals based on their characteristics. They use a 5-star rating system for reviewing hotels to refer to a set of principles or beliefs. Belief system, value system, economic system. The community follows a traditional belief system passed down through generations. And the company's value system emphasizes integrity and teamwork. The country adopted a capitalist economic system after the revolution.